Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located on the passenger side of the vehicle, under the glove box. Remove the screw. Slide the housing cover to remove it. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1157C filter into the housing. It can only be installed with the housing in one orientation. Reinstall the housing cover. Reinstall the screws.
Order your parts today at Filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.